Hey everyone, I'm Matt, and this right here is Brandy, and welcome to the What We Know Vegas show, made possible for you guys from our friends over at travelvegas.com. We've got a new set. What do y'all think about that? We had to upgrade the set here, but I think it looks pretty good. What do you think?
Looks pretty good.
All right, there's a new zip line coming to the Las Vegas Strip right there at the Linq Promenade. The first zip lines were installed this week, and eventually there'll be 10 lines with 10 people who can ride all at the same time in speeds in excess of 35 miles an hour. And you're going to be about 100 feet above the promenade.
Will you do it?
No, no, thank you.
The zip line's still under construction at the Linq Promenade. It will run more than 1,000 feet and ends at the foot of the high roller observation wheel. The zip line's expected to open near the end of the year, and it'll be $25 during the day, $30 at night.
All right, that's not too bad. It should be a lot of fun. Okay, there's also big news in rock and roll in Las Vegas. Legendary rockers Aerosmith have announced this week that they will be celebrating their 50th, can you believe that? 50th anniversary as a band right there with a new residency in Las Vegas. The residency is called Deuces Are Wild, and the show kicks off next year, 1st of April, at the Park Theater, which, as you know, is right there at Park MGM.
Aerosmith announced a total of 18 shows during the months of April, June, and July. During that time, the Park Theater will also be home to Lady Gaga's residency. As you might remember, her show kicks off in December of this year and runs through November of 19.
Okay, some other news, hotel news. There's some updates going on at Palace Station, which is located about 1 mile west of the Las Vegas Strip. As you may or may not know, Palace Station is going through a $200 million renovation. They started back in 2016, and it's not entirely complete yet. However, there are some new amenities that you can enjoy right away if you're planning on visiting the Palace Station.
They've installed a brand new casino floor. The expansion makes the casino floor 44 times larger than the original. In addition to a fresh new look, there are now 500 more slot machines at Palace Station. According to the Las Vegas Review-Journal, the casino floor now has 1,800 slots and video poker machines and 43 game tables.
That's a lot. It's going to be a big casino. It's going to be nice. They've also included some new restaurants at Palace Station, and they've overhauled their Feast Buffet, which now is over 14,000 square feet of a dining experience. It's going to be pretty cool. Additionally, Palace Station has a new elevated pool concept. The pool area will now offer cabanas and day beds for guests, including a dining area and an event lawn to do some cool things there. Hotel renovations on the rooms are still going on, so if you're planning a stay at Palace Station, make sure you request a newer room when you check in.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
We've been talking a lot about our new Facebook group. It's dedicated only for deals, discounts, and coupons for Las Vegas travelers. There's a link below, and the group is called We Know Vegas Deals, Discounts, and Coupons. Tell them some of the deals we're posting.
Okay, hotel shows, attractions, tours, everything. But hotel-wise, this week we were publishing all 13 of the MGM Properties, things like Mandalay Bay, Mirage, Bellagio, that brand right there, has great discounts on room rates, some up to 35% off, and you're going to get a food and beverage credit. Some of them are over $100, so you'll want to check that out. We've got a link in the comments below where you can see this particular hotel deal. Then we've also got some money-saving show tickets. Some specifically this week we've been posting about is over at Harrahs. Harrahs has the Righteous Brothers concert show, also Menopause the musical. Both of these shows are offering $20 off all the tickets regardless where in the theater you sit.
So make sure to follow the links below to check out where you can get your hands on all the deals, discounts, and coupons that we get exclusively from travelvegas.com.
Exactly. We've partnered with travelvegas.com for several reasons. First is because they understand the Las Vegas traveler like me and her and you guys. You're able to do everything online. You can even do it all from a mobile device, from a tablet, laptop, you name it, you can do it. Everything's safe and secure. Their customer service is fantastic. Their website has all the things easy to find, so make sure you check it out when you're in planning stages of going to Las Vegas. And we know a lot of you guys are. So, you know what? As always, we know Vegas.
We miss Vegas.
I know we do. So maybe we'll see you guys this fall when we start going out to Las Vegas. Las Vegas. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.